Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife reviews. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. All right, we got that out of the way. So in front of us today, we have something new from Remette. This is the Remette Canyon. This is a gentleman style knife. Open this up. All right, here we go. Out of the box. Right away, we have the knife. It's a small guy. In the box, they give you a pivot tool, and they give you a cleaning cloth. Those are always nice touches. It's always good when they give you a tool like that, because even though it's lightweight, it's good to keep in, like, just in your wallet if you ever have to work on your knives. So this is the Remette Canyon. It's a gentleman's knife, very thin profile. It's got this black G10 that's textured really nicely, actually. Take a look at that. You've got a captive pivot, which is nice, with your orange accent. So, jimping on this tiny little flipper. Let's see. Ooh, that pops out of there beautifully. You've got the Remette logo right there. The only thing else on the blade is you have it say D2 right there, which has a bit of oil on it. To be expected, it's new. Wipe that off a little bit. Wipe down the blade. This is going to be your office carry. You're going to church carry. Anywhere where you don't want an intimidating knife. Again, this is a gentleman's knife. That's what they call them. First one I remember was the one from CKRT. That's really the first gentleman's knife that became widely popular that I remember. And this is very similar to that. I love the blade shape. I love the tanto. That's just great. And this size is really nice. This comes in at 3.23 inches, the handle of 4.17 inches. So overall, it's 7.40 inches, 7.4 inches. Size-wise, we'll put that against a Benchmade bug out. You can see lengthwise, it's pretty much the same. Cutting area actually is about the same. When you figure that curves up and this goes straight up against the Manix 2, obviously you could see the size difference in handle height. It's a smaller knife than the Manix 2, but again, it's supposed to be. It's a gentleman's knife. Up against the Kershaw Leak. And blade-wise, it's actually about the same. Handle-wise, about the same. So very similar in size to the Leak. So if you like the size of the Leak, it'll be great for you. And that is a nice blade. That will be great for cutting open envelopes. This will be great for, cutting packages, tape on boxes. Be great for cutting twine or rope on packages, that sort of thing. Light, it's going to be a light duty knife, although there's no blade play at all. That's built solidly. That liner lock is excellent. It's about halfway, which is really what you want. You want 40 to 50%, in my opinion. And very easy to operate. Great sound on that. And control drop, which I like. It's not free falling. And just a great, great gentleman's knife. And at a price point, these are going for about $34 or so. And they're currently on Amazon, and this could change. There's a 5% off coupon on that as well. Yeah, this is if you're looking for a gentleman's knife, this might be the way to go. Also, too, what it looks like. No, it's not. I was thinking that the clip would have been reversible, but it's not. But the way that's cut out, it's just a decoration. I thought that was for the clip. So it is right-handed only, but, sorry, lefties. People just don't like you guys. I don't know why. Just kidding. We all love lefties. But there happens to be less of you, so that's why the knife companies tend to cater to the righties. So, but man, again, control drop on that. D2 steel. I mean, that's a great, great gentleman's knife. Like I said, great for taking to church, great for going to the office, anything like that. Any type of social function where you don't want to intimidate people with a more tactical or aggressive looking knife. This wouldn't scare anybody. Almost looks like a butter knife, except we know better. So, all right, folks, this is just a quick video. My quick impressions of the new Remette Canyon. This is actually the first Remette knife I've actually ever purchased. Good job, Remette. There may be more in my future. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.